The Eastern Cape Province local government elections is the conversation for the next 3 to 4 months. We're going to be speaking everything local government, ubumenemene of the leading governance, that is the ANC, and everything as it happens here in the Eastern Cape. Now, latest news on the local governance. OR Tambo District Municipality has recently suspended its municipal manager. If you know and understand the dynamics of local governance, you will remember that the relations between the municipal manager and the executive mayor are always close. And you will want to ask yourself, when the municipal manager is, what is the word? Not dismissed? Suspended. When the municipal manager is suspended, what does that tell you? Does that maybe say the relations have become sour between the municipal manager and the executive mayor? Why am I saying executive mayor when I was out to get council? But I'm out to executive mayor because the boss of the council is the executive mayor. The relations between the top two heads of the municipality, political and administrative head, must have gone sour at some point. I will take you back to when this particular municipality, this particular municipal manager and the executive mayor were answering to Parliament this year earlier. Mr. Maase, who is was the municipal manager of OR Tambo, was very bold and confident, and he protected the corruption there that is happening at the OR Tambo District Municipality. Now, a few months later, he gets suspended over a manufactured allegation of misconduct. I want to speak with you on the possible real events that might have happened in that OR Tambo District Municipality. Let me take you back. You will remember OR Tambo is that municipality that's been known to unika ikhampani enye umsebenzi we-millions totaling to 400 million inikwa inkampani enye engawugqibi nomnye umsebenzi, but it gets tenders worth millions and millions and millions, hundreds of millions of rands, but ayimgqibi nomnye umsebenzi. Uzazibuza ke into yokubana that municipal manager was there, he was part of that corruption, and the executive mayor kuba basebenza kanje kaloku u-MM no-EM, political head and the administrative head. Now, when he gets suspended, what is likely to have happened? Inoba kwenzeke ntoni between the two? Mhlawumbi ikhona lento bangavumelaniyo kuyo waqonda uba uzamgxotha. What is really happening? And administratively, what happens when a municipal manager gets suspended? Is it the Hawks investigating something? Is it them disagreeing inside, or is it a political strategy for him to exit so that he does not get investigated? Because uyaqaphela into ezininzi, it is the MM that is going to take the fall for things that are enforced by the executive mayor or the political head. And as Genobuzandivana. But what is likely to have happened here at OR Tambo District Municipality between me and you? Masambe Poof, Simeng OR Tambo. Let's look at the local municipality, the King Sabate Dalingebo. Recently, we are seeing 4 members of that municipality. If you can give me a second, because I'm gonna give context. And there's an allegation that I'm likely to make here that might get me sued. However, it's gonna help put 2 and 2, 1 and 1, 2 and 2 together to understand something that recently happened that shocked everybody in the Eastern Cape politics, regarding a certain top member of the province and the court. Andifuna uthetha ke izinto ndizibhenzise sentsho ndizithethe ngolhlobo zilulo, but me and you abalapha sentsho abalapha will get exactly what is it that I'm alleging. I want to read you. Let me get my iPhone. Let me quickly connect the camera. I'm gonna search for you. Where's Google? I'm gonna say KSD. Let me go to Google. I'm gonna quickly say KSD municipality and look at what comes up there on the news. Haibo, nothing is coming up. So not a single person wrote about the KSD. Haibo, akho no one umuntu obhale nge-KSD. There's no news outlet that wrote about the KSD. Municipal manager wakhona resigner, municipal manager rather suspendwa. There's nobody that wrote about Londo. He meant about that journalism has died. Maybe let's go to YouTube. Let's go to Lendo or Facebook. King Sabata Dalingyebo local municipality, and maybe we're gonna read their statements because I'm sure they have spoken about the suspension of their executive mayor. And you will ask yourself, Haibo, umeya aresign, umeya asuspendwe, yenzeka njani loo nto? You will ask yourself. I'm not seeing this mayor. Excuse me. Hey madoda, ininzi into eyenzeka kula masipala wase-KSD because I'm seeing that kukhona umeya omtsha ududumayo. Oh, actually, here's the statement. The KSD executive mayor recuses himself from municipal duties pending finalization of court processes. The KSD local municipality executive mayor, Unyani Sonelani, has recused himself from the execution of his duties pending the finalization of legal processes currently before the court. This follows a brief appearance in Mthatha Magistrate Court over allegation of fraud. Now, between me and you, I'm going to have to break down what this fraud is. This signed something, a traveling of a certain member, certain staff member, that lesi staff member sixokile sathi siya in something official yalapha emasipaleni e-KSD, whereas esiya ku-political something ANC. Those are the basis of this allegation. Now, the executive mayor apparently is part of that. However, I need us to sibuyise ingqondo. I need us sibuyise ingqondo sithi umeya azirecuse ufakwe omnye, then ngaphaya u-MM asuspendwe kufakwe omnye. Ndimane ndizibuza le mibuzo, ndibuza i-regional leadership yase-OR Tambo nokubana kwenzeka ntoni phaya. Sentsho what is really happening. Because this KSD matter between me and you, it's manufactured. Kuqoqwe kwanto that they can use to get rid of him. Is it because there's a new leadership now? What is the real reason they are getting rid of these leaders? We need to dig and find out. But I'm not buying the recusal yalo mayor and that 55,000 car that he signed. Less than 100,000. Lena kutwa he fraud. Whereas beqhelutya millions and millions of rand. I'm not buying that at all. I'm suspecting somebody wants them out. Who wants them out and why? Those are some of the questions we want to ask ourselves and get answers to. Remember, these are power games and political fights. And we need to understand exactly what's going on. Exactly what is going on in this municipality. I don't buy it for a lousy 10 cents into yokokubana le fraud case it's legitimate. I feel like kuyaliwa up politically, and we might want to get to the bottom of it. That's it from myself about the OR Tambo and King Sabata Dalindyebo municipality. You know, everybody fears talking about Chris Hani. I'm probably the only one olidela ukufa okwaziyo uthetha ngeChris Hani out in the open. Sisezazichuba ke indaba yaseChris Hani. I'm sure izaba zii-episodes eziyi-5. Izaba zii-episodes at least 5 when I speak about the whole thing. Sorry, let me get this. Oh, ayisana ubane chomi ezi executives ezingaphina imali lama men. Are you at the house? Upumile, are you at the house or you here?
No, I'm at the house.
Okay. I come outside. Come, let's meet outside. I'm gonna open. Yeah, just come. Tiklinde ngaphandle.
HS?
Yes.
Why?
Why what?
Why come to HS? I didn't go to your place, Master.
Come through. Phuma kaloku. We are. I wanna go to Sandton. I wanna go to Sandton City quickly earlier and check something out.
Can you come pass by here? We got chase on my phone.
And not petrol.
I wanna walk.
Just walk to here, then we can drive out. Sure. So about that. Right, hayi ke bendizawusherisha nje londo. Otherwise sizabajonga wethu masipala, but so far and yes Central, I haven't seen a municipality that is functional okwangoku andikawuboni ndisajongile. Andimazi nomasipala ofunctiona kakuhle e-Eastern Cape. Andikamboni ngaphandle kwe-Amathole, ingathi naye Amathole ichacha kuhle, andazi noba uzawundivana. It's Amathole ngathi noko ichacha kuhle, iyazama uzentweni. But you are right, sharp. Don't forget to subscribe. We're gonna have a proper podcast. Kungenzuku zatywala. Igama lam ndingubhuti Lu. Ayisuka senindazi by now ndingunolala weGungqayi. Please don't forget to subscribe and share and what and all those things. So bye.